Sorry for the technical difficulties, as always.
So again, I'm Danielle.
I'm Bianca.
Jesse.
And Jessica behind the camera.
Our camera girl today.
We're much better now. We're good to go.
Okay,
All
good.
All right, so if you caught our first part and are coming back to our second part, I didn't move.
You didn't really miss much.
So my finger is actually still in the same spot.
I guess just re-say what we're doing here today.
Okay.
Yes, we're going to be doing some wine glasses and ornaments, getting into the holiday spirit a little bit. So we're going to do all that with sign vinyl, show you how to do it. We have some great FDC ultra metallic sign vinyl that has like a little glitter fleck to it. So what's the holidays without glitter? But we're gonna go ahead and do the wine glasses first, and then we're gonna do the ornament. And Jesse's gonna add some glitter to the ornament, which will make it even better. So we're good.
We're good. Teresa,
Yes.
Midge, and
People-
Debbie are all back.
Oh,
So say
like
hi.
our regulars.
Yeah,
Thanks.
exactly.
Teresa said, ornaments take 2.
There you go. Thank you. All right. So first things first, because we all need some wine around the holidays. Let's get some festive wine glasses. So I peeled off my backing. I applied my vinyl to it, and when you're doing wine glasses, of course, it's not a smooth surface. It's definitely rounded. So what you can do, like I have this little Y part there that I know once I start to apply down, it's gonna wrinkle and be weird. So just any area that you feel like isn't gonna make it and isn't gonna be clean, just cut a slit and then just kind of press it down. So that way you don't get that wrinkly weirdness. And then you see how it like bubbled there? I can just cut it again so that my tea is not gonna be affected by that wrinkle bubbliness, and then just stick it down. See? Because like it gapped there, but I don't have anything there, so it's fine.
Makes so much
Yes.
sense to do it that way. That's a great tip.
Yeah.
And then you're just gonna do the same thing all around the wine glass. And this sticks. Like just me pushing it, it's on there. So you don't have to really, worry too much. I do have my little squeegee, so I can just kind of go into it and make sure that I'm stuck on. And then once I have everything where I want it, I'm just gonna peel up my tape.
Teresa, oh, sorry.
No, you go right ahead.
She wants to know if these can be hand washed.
Yes.
Rather than dishwasher, right? I would definitely recommend hand washing.
Yeah, I would go they're gonna last longer hand washing. And everybody's, dishwasher's different.
Right.
But I would definitely, if you're selling these to customers, I would definitely say hand wash just to kind of make sure everything's all right for them.
Yeah, that really saved that loop on that wine.
Yeah,
Right?
good.
Look how pretty.
That's awesome.
Cheers to you. So then, just as you're here, come on back and we'll show the other ones. Because we're going to do...
Jingle juice.
And that's fun.
Santa's
This
Little
one's all
Helper.
glitter. So that's the FDC Ultra Metallic. And we're going to do the Santa's Little Helper right now. I'm going to show you.
Ooh, we're getting, and likes.
Yay!
I like that.
But I want you to, can you zoom in and see the little spacing?
Yes.
This happens when you do not weld. So see these little spots? That if you forget to do the weld tool in either Silhouette or whatever program you're working in Illustrator, you're gonna get those little gaps because it's when the two curls go together, they overlap each other, and that negative space is gonna cause your vinyl to empty out, basically, so it's going to weed it away. So this one, I did it right. So I'm going to show you that. So that way you can see the difference between non-weld and welded. Okay.
And for those of you joining in, Nathan is, thank you very much, putting up the links to the materials that we are using.
All right, now, what I want to show you, this one has water in it. That is a great little tip or trick. If you need to do a bunch of wine glasses all at the same level, so you want to make sure that, Little Helper is the same on this wine glass, based on this wine glass, you just transfer the water. So I'm lined up there, and now this is my next wine glass. Now I'll be lined up where I need it to be.
And just don't spill any.
It's a fun activity all the time.
We're getting
Should
thumbs
be no
up.
bartender. That should be my next adventure.
Yes, started in after Facebook Live is over.
Yes. Okay, awesome. Okay, but this is also a good tool because there's grid lines on this tape. But you don't know if the tape is straight, if it's on the wine glass straight.
Or if your design is straight on the,
Yeah.
on the gridded tape.
So this is obviously straight, your line of your water. So you can line your design up with the water. So your design to the water and will be even and perfect.
Thanks,
All right.
Roxanne, for the tip. She said always light hand wash, don't soak, and not dishwasher safe.
Sounds
Thank
good
you.
to me.
I'm just gonna get down so I can be totally level. And I'm just gonna go ahead and sort of line up my thing with where my water was.
Need the Jeopardy music.
I know.
And again, you just press it. The tape I did find is a little bit more forgiving than like the red grid tape is a little bit more forgiving when you go to kind of push everything down because it wrinkles on its own rather than the clear tape. But you could still do the trick of cutting just to make sure that everything's gonna kind of fall where you need it to.
Rick said make sure the table is level too.
Yes, that's good.
It's a nice little tip
point.
there.
Yeah. Especially our table, that thing.
But you know what? You're drinking out of these glasses, so
Yeah.
who will know? All right, again, you just push it on down, take your squeegee. I'm gonna pour my water out because I don't need it anymore.
Why risk
And
spilling
I feel
it?
like there could be casualties. I mean, this is a lit tray. It could be really bad.
Yes. But then we'll get more views.
Anybody have any questions out there?
Gail says if you have a scrub daddy, you can scrub the labels right off the bottom of the glasses using cold water. That's awesome. You know they have those,
Oh,
It's
yes.
such a booger to get off all the time.
And Shark Tank, if you're watching, we
yeah.
just totally promoted Scrub Daddy.
I have like 4 of them at home, and I love them all.
And I'm so upset no one shared this secret with me. I have to get me a scrub daddy.
Bed Bath & Beyond, they're like $4. Maybe even less
Wow,
than that.
Bed Bath & Beyond, if you're
Yeah.
listening.
That's where I get mine
Start
from.
sending them checks for World Inc.
Not that we're looking for a sponsorship. Wink, wink.
All right, this is being a little fussy, but you just take your time with it.
Could it be because it's so thin?
Just get it to go down.
Gail said make sure I get my commission.
Yes, of course.
Wait, oh, you guys, you have to see that later. Her picture is a Grinch ornament.
Oh, that's so cool.
I missed it. I'll have to check it.
Yeah, later. Teresa said, where did you get the little lit tree?
I got this at Target last year on like when it was like 90%
Target,
off
if you're
clearance.
listening.
It was after Christmas, 90% off. I think it was like $1.50. I have a lot of
Wow.
specialty ornaments I like to keep up, all year round. So I have all my ornaments at home. But I figured, what else to bring in?
Very
today?
cute little tree.
Yeah.
And while Danielle is applying that, I'm going to show you our other ornaments here. Believe with the fake snow. I have a glare from our lighting. Cardinals appear when angels are near. There's a little cardinal. And glitter. This one says, some people are worth melting for. And if you see inside, it's a melted snowman. See, this camera failing today worked out good because we're having the awesome zooms. Hi, Barbara.
Good. She made it home in time just for us.
My little S didn't stick down. I think my mug was wet. So,
Oh, no.
note to self,
Dry.
dry mug.
So when you're spilling that water, make
Yeah,
sure
I think
there's
it was
not
when you were
any,
giving the
Yes.
demo of switching the water.
Make
Because
sure you're
I-
not drinking any jingle juice while you're doing this.
I was not very calm when I. Ooh, ah! That's all right. It's all good. I feel it. It's wet. So I definitely did not.
Yeah,
It's okay. It stuck to my fingers. So
some may have dropped when you were like pouring it into that one and
good.
pouring it back.
come on off, little piece. Or at least scoot over.
Yeah, because we have pretty good zoom
Don't
today, so we'll be able to
mind
see.
me. Okay. I need this to go here. And this is how you do it if it just doesn't stick right.
Always providing the extra little tips and tricks.
I know, right? And now I'm going to put this piece on my finger and move my S around to where I want it.
This is good troubleshooting.
The weeding tool is really good because it's tiny, tiny and gets you where you want it. And then how did my little... Oh, that one didn't even come off there. So, you know what? Who needs this piece?
You'll show it.
That's right. I'll show you, little piece. All right, so now it's on. Yay! And now I have my little Santa hat. I already double layered it. So we did white then red. And I'm just going to trim around it so that way it's easy to apply. And this one's on the clear tape so I can see right through it, which will make it easier for me to apply it right on top of my S. Make sure my S is nice and down, and that the rest is. Okay. And see, you can see right through. So you can kind of maneuver it where you want it. And press. Squeegee. We're so quiet.
I know. I feel like we really need to have like background music sometimes. Maybe next week we can have.
Somebody put the like button when you said background.
Perfect. Santa's little helper.
So cute.
All right, so those are our wine glasses. Oh, but you can see weeded. Nice. Non-weeded.
Welded. Or
Welded.
Welded.
Sorry, everything's weeded.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So this was welded. Everybody's going,
I know, I saw.
so that was welded. So you will notice that there aren't any little gaps. This was non-welded. You see the little gaps. But both products are very nice.
All right, ornament time.
Woo!
Glass ornaments. I got ours at any like I know. I'll throw it out there. AC Moore, any art supply store, or craft store would have the glass ornaments. I'm sure these will work on the plastic, but since we're gonna throw glitter inside, I don't want the plastic to get kind of cloudy and be weird. Mm-hmm. And these are so nice when you have a nice finished product on the glass. So just really kind of go for what your end result's gonna be. All right, and you just kind of have to wing these because obviously they're round and they go everywhere.
I wonder if we should have tried to put like a little blanket or something. Not a blanket, but maybe like a little washcloth. But then again, that might stick to it.
I tried that earlier, but I couldn't get around it.
Okay.
So, but that's good. So again,
Just steady hands.
yep, just squish it on down.
Sherry, she may have missed it. Wine glasses, dishwasher safe or just hand wash? We recommend just hand washing.
Yeah.
Oh, Gail said if you're sitting down, you can use your lap to put it all
Oh
over.
yes. See, that would have been a good idea.
Or TR said, or even place it on top of the glass.
Oh yeah.
But I've been scared to put too much pressure and then it.
And then
Yeah.
everything just cracks.
It takes some finagling.
Yeah.
There are those ornaments that are kind of like flat front. So they're oval, sort of like they're round, but they're thinner. Those are a little bit easier to apply this stuff to. But I couldn't find those.
How long do you think the vinyl will stay on with the hand washing? Should stay on for quite some time,
Yeah,
right?
you know what? It's the thickness of your vinyl that matters. Like the thin text that may come off sooner than the thicker text.
Right.
So keep that in mind when you're making your designs. But I feel like for holidays, I'm not going to be drinking Santa's Little Helper in June.
Well, if that's your only clean glass you make.
Yes.
if it gets to that point.
Scott says he uses 651 on glasses and it washes in a dishwasher with no problem.
Oh.
You know what? For those watching, feel free if you know an extra tip or, if you've been working with this particular product a little bit longer and you have more expert tips, feel free to, join in the comments. We do these tutorials just to give you a basis of what to do, but this isn't our main focus. So if you have extra tips or know a little bit more, please join in.
Yeah,
We
things
appreciate
that you
it.
found
Yeah.
are helpful, that other people will find helpful.
Because that way, you know, if you're watching this later on down the line, or even as of right now, you can see those comments coming through. They'll definitely help. Who knows who they'll help.
Yes. And plus, we do test on these things, but it's very based on, okay, let's throw this in the washer like 5 or 6 times to see what happens, not over a long time period.
Oh, Gail, that was a good one. She said, I make sure to let the vinyl cure for 24 to 48 hours before using or giving to the person who will use it.
That's a good one.
Yeah, definitely.
What I kind of noticed is that, like, as you apply the vinyl, sometimes you're gonna get it to like overlap or wrinkle. Take your weeding tool, poke it underneath, get it reset so that way it'll go nice and smooth for you. Cause like the edge just wasn't happening. All right. So Jessie,
Ready for the glitter?
she is so ready. She's like super excited right now to do this glitter.
And Danielle made her a cute funnel.
Look at that.
We're like MacGyver here.
Let it snow, Jessie.
yeah,
Let it
let it
snow. Do you want me to hold it for you?
I think I got it.
If not, there'll just be glitter
I was
everywhere.
gonna say, if she makes a mess, everyone will see.
No pressure.
No, you gotta go more than that.
Oh,
You
I'm
barely-
not done.
Oh,
I'm like, that is not enough.
that's a dusting. That's not a snowfall.
That's maybe what we're getting this afternoon. Hopefully just a dusting and not those 4 inches during rush hour that they're predicting.
She clogged the funnel.
Too much glitter, too fast.
Over anxious.
Do we want to let it snow
I
more
think-
than that?
It's all right for now.
We want to let it snow.
Pop the top back on. And I'm gonna spill it because my little top thing just folded on me. There we go.
All right.
Our homemade paper.
Homemade,
Hey, it works.
Hey,
Yes.
we have the tree. We have the ornaments. We have batteries for the tree. It's fine.
We're all good.
Paper clips are no problem.
Ta-da!
Yay! Let it snow in the FTC metallic vinyl with the snow in there.
All right, do we have any other questions? Comments?
Nope, nothing as of yet. Teresa said all good, ladies.
We got a lot of.
I say we're getting more
I love this.
releases coming through.
Send them through. Don't forget to
Oh,
share
look
too.
at that.
Share, share, share. Make sure everyone can see what you can make for them for this holiday season. You have plenty of time to still place orders.
Absolutely.
UPS is, running a little behind, but, we'll definitely get the orders out for you, get them in time, so you can make, your wonderful glasses and your ornaments.
So cute.
All right. Well, thanks everybody for watching, and we will see you next week. Bye.
Bye.